Hey there everyone. In this video, let's see how we are gonna create one repository on Beanstalk. So go to the dashboard and click on create a repository. So we are going to give a name of AWS test. Next, and we are going to copy this SSH URL because later on we will be authenticating with our SSH key, so we are going to copy our SSH URL. So copy this and go to the project and add this git remote, add origin and just paste that URL. Now in order to push our code on the Beanstalk, we need to add our public SSH key on the dashboard. So go to activity, just go to your account, and I need to confirm my password, so just continue. Click on the SSH keys and we are going to add our public SSH key here. Now if you are on a Mac, so this is the command how you can copy your SSH key. Just type cat dot SSH id underscore rsa dot pub pipe pv copy. This command will copy your public SSH key on the clipboard. So just paste it here and add key. Now after doing it, just go back to the repositories and click on AWS test. Now we are going to push our code. So just type the command git push origin master. So it will take few seconds to push the code. So the process is completed. Now we can refresh this. Now you can see that our initial commit is there. Now we can SSH into the EC2 instance and we are going to create one project directory where we will be deploying our code. So just type sudo mkdir / projects and just cd into this cd / projects, and we are going to create one more directory where we will be storing our code. Sudo mkdir api dot aws test.com. Now this is actually the best practice to name the directory as per your domain name, so it will be easier to recognize which code belongs to which website or which project. Now after this we are going to change the directory permission of this to Ubuntu. So the command which we'll be using is sudo chown -r ubuntu and then the name of our directory api dot aws test.com. So basically we are changing the ownership of this directory by this command. Now go on to the deployments. Basically we need to copy the SSH key for this repository. So this is the SSH key. Copy this, go to the EC2 instance and cd space ... just get back to the root directory and go to authorized key sections. Sudo vim .ssh / authorized keys and just paste this SSH key which we have just copied here. Now the reason why we are doing this is that later on when we will be creating a deployment server using a Beanstalk, that SSH key will be used to authenticate the Beanstalk account to that AWS EC2 instance. So basically when the code will be deployed from Beanstalk to the EC2 instance, then we will be authenticating through SSH key. That's why we are just keeping this SSH key in the authorized key section. Just write and quit this editor. Now in the next video we will be seeing how we are going to create one deployment server and pushing our code to EC2 instance. Thanks for watching.